They're fixing the barnyard light that's gone out. That's Dad up on the light, and Justin, my comrade from the other day, is in the bucket.
Hello, Dick.
There's Will Pill, sometimes known as Will, Jaybird, Jay, William. Hey Jay, do something funny, we'll put it on Funny Homes videos.
Earthquake fest.
Is it really 5:50 p.m.? Here's the manger and stuff. There's the shed we were working on the other day, way over there. And it's a beautiful day today. Well, quite beautiful. Blue sky. Oh, there's some cows. The barn. Now look at these mountains. Probably doesn't do it justice on the video, but oh, there's the house. We built that. When was it? Ended in 2000.
Hey, I think it's coming on.
But, yeah. Here we are, the early morning hours, getting a nice picture of the mountains across the way. I went deer hunting right there one year. That's over towards Richmond. That's getting around Skyview and Smithfield right there. And that's down the south end. Logan's right in there, right there. That's the south end of the valley. That's the Trenton Hill. Those are the Wellsville Mountains. They're supposed to be like the steepest, like in vertical climb. And I don't know where, maybe North America or something. But here's the house. Now we built most of this ourselves. Like we poured all the cement, like all the flat work cement. Like there's guys who did the foundation for us. Well, we paid them. But we framed it. We'd put the, the shingles on, the soffit work, and around back there's only 3 feet of brick, and then the rest is vinyl siding. And so we did that, and it's around back. It's like that because no one will see it, only us, and we don't care. But the front is like that. And then there's heating contractor to the heating, plumbing contractor to the plumbing. We did most of the electrical, and we sheetrocked it, insulated it, mudded, taped it, sanded everything. Side, and we painted it. My brother did the carpet and the flooring and everything. We